Boom shakalaka, a very clear Bitcoin fractal right here. Where it is likely headed, stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including where Bitcoin price is likely headed following a very similar fractal to back here in 2020. Now, before we get into it guys, hit that like button. And today, greed at 74, up from yesterday's 71. The overall market up 2%. Bitcoin at 38,757. Ethereum at 20.95. BNB at 2.28. XRP 61 cents. Solana $61. Cardano 38 cents. Dogecoin 8 cents. And Tron 10 cents. And Bitcoin starting to launch off of this support line from back in June and March. But if we take a look, this coiling that we currently have, very similar to what we saw back before October 2020 when the price rocketed upwards. Could we be headed in the same direction? Well, based on the active address growth trend, it definitely looks that way. When this trends higher, so does the Bitcoin price. When it trends lower, so does the price. Well, right now it is trending higher. Also, if we take a look at Bitcoin 2100 blocks before the halving, which is where we are right now, very similar location to where we have been previous halvings. However, so far, this is the best looking one yet. We just had a breakout on the daily chart, breakout of the flat upper trend line of this ascending triangle continuation pattern, which if you take a look down here in the left corner, this is one that does continue upwards. So this breakout would send Bitcoin continuing higher. And should it be a surprise? No, probably not. Global liquidity signals go in cycles. These are suggesting with the bottom in the TSI right down here and the cross, well, likely that we are in that moment when price trends upwards. Also, if we just take a look at US liquidity trending up strongly, much like it did at the start of all other Bitcoin bull runs, the relationship between liquidity and Bitcoin's price is incredible. QE goes up, Bitcoin price goes up. QT numbers go down. So looks like things are going up. If we take a look here, bull run vibes on this chart when we have been at the same levels right here. Well, the last two times over 4,000% gains or over 500% gains for Bitcoin. The bull run has started. If we take a look, Chaikin money flow has crossed zero, has flipped right here. Accumulation phase is over. The best period to accumulate has just ended. But you know what happens after accumulation phase? That's right, bull run phase. So likely going to see some massive gains beginning soon. 38,000 was pretty critical resistance that we seem to have broken through. As a matter of fact, the price has flipped the 150% long-term holder profit line to the upside, which is this kind of blue line right here. Now, aside from the black swan of 2021, or 2020 was that? The black swan of 2020. Aside from that, this line has always been support for Bitcoin price. So very unlikely for price to go below 31,000. Willie Woo's chart the other day saying below 30,000 would be very unlikely. This could be the bottom for the next cycle. Also, if we take a look here, Bitcoin closed another monthly candle above the previous candle, signaling a bullish continuation. Right now, based on this, the 61.8 fib level, that's roughly a 50,000 Bitcoin before the halving if we were to see anything echoing previous cycles. And then if we take a look at this continuation afterwards, you can see just flipped from red to green right here. Previous times this happened, these were massive bull run territory, meaning we're in the beginning of what could be the very best to come for Bitcoin over the next couple of years into potentially the hundreds of thousands of dollars. So if you enjoyed that video, press the like button. Catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.